In this section of the course, we'll learn how to analyze wholesale pricing and place wholesale orders. You can refer to the Analyze the Pricing PDF file found in the resource area for this lecture. There's an old saying, you make your money when you buy, not when you sell. If you're careless with this analysis, you'll pay for it when you make a sale, literally. By carefully analyzing the product pricing, you'll greatly increase your chances of success. If you've done the previous steps correctly, you'll have a wholesale account and access to the products in that account. This is the moment of truth for all the sweat and tears you put in up to now. Do you have a winner? Let's check. As mentioned in the previous section, the price list can be provided in several formats. Before you can analyze the supplier pricing, it's imperative that you match the supplier's product to the one you found earlier during your Amazon product research. This is usually done by matching the UPC codes. Most suppliers will provide the UPC code in their price list. If not, ask for a list. If no list, you'll have to search by product name inside the price list. Remember, if this was easy, anyone could do it. So what are UPC codes and why do you even care? Virtually every product sold today will have a unique UPC, Universal Product Code, commonly called a barcode. It looks like this. In the U.S., the codes are 12 numeric digits coded into a series of vertical bars suitable for scanning by merchants to track their inventory. UPC codes can be purchased by anyone from various sources for use on new product packaging. Amazon also makes use of UPC codes. When a new product listing is created in the Amazon catalog, a unique UPC code will be required. Amazon will also create their own internal unique version of a UPC code called an ASIN, Amazon Standard Identification Number. This unique ASIN will always be paired with a unique UPC. If you look at the URL address of any Amazon product, you'll find a 10-digit ASIN, usually starting with B00 or B01. Here's a tip. You can find any product in the Amazon catalog by simply typing the ASIN into the Amazon search bar. Next, we want to locate the UPC code according to Amazon. Notice I said according to Amazon. Sometimes the Amazon UPC will not match with the supplier's UPC. This is rare, but when it happens, you have some extra detective work to do. It's very important that you match these two UPC codes because you don't want to list the wrong product into your inventory and get slapped by Amazon. And you want to do this now in case the supplier pricing is just too high. Then you can stop and move on without wasting any time. To get the Amazon UPC code, you'll pretend you're going to add a product to your inventory in Seller Central. So go on over to your Seller Central page now. Hover over the Inventory tab and select Add a Product. You should now see the Add a Product page. Next, you want to enter one of the ASINs that you saved in your contact list. For example, say you received the price list from Chefland and you want to match up the UPC code from the Chefland price list with the UPC code on Amazon. Just copy the ASIN that you saved and input it into the Add a Product search bar. Hit search and you'll see this result. Notice the small product image and description. Also listed here is the UPC code for this ASIN. This is the UPC code you'll need to match to the supplier's product list. Copy this number, go to the supplier product list and search for a match. Most documents are searchable by typing Ctrl+F inside the document. Simply place the UPC code in the search dialog and hit enter. If the moon and the stars are aligned just right, you'll find the supplier's UPC code and a wholesale price nearby. Sometimes the supplier will list the UPC with dashes or spaces between the numbers, so making a match will be a challenge, but that doesn't stop you, does it? Drum roll, please. You found the UPC. How does the price look compared to the Amazon price? Hopefully the price is 1/3 to 1/2 of the Amazon price, or even less. This means you might have some margin for profit after Amazon fees. Further analysis will be required. If the supplier price is well over 1/2 the Amazon price, it's probably no good and you can go on to the next product. But I encourage you to go ahead and analyze these borderline products to learn the process. You might have a winner. Next, we'll do a deep dive into the price analysis sheet.